Do you ever want to send a photo to your family on WhatsApp, but you are not sure which button to tap? Or maybe you want to send a voice message instead of typing, but you are afraid of sending it by mistake. Today, we'll keep it very simple. I'll show you how to send a photo and how to send a voice message on WhatsApp, step by step. Take your time and pause the video whenever you need to. Before we begin, I want you to know something important. You do not need to be fast to use WhatsApp. You do not need to understand every button. You only need to learn a few simple steps. Also, your phone may look a little different from the one in this video. That is normal. WhatsApp can look slightly different on iPhone and Android. Just look for the same basic buttons. The chat, the camera, the paperclip or plus sign, the photo gallery, the microphone, and the send button. In this video, we'll cover 4 simple things. First, how to open a WhatsApp chat. Second, how to send a photo from your phone. Third, how to take a new photo and send it. And fourth, how to send a voice message. Let's start with opening a chat. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Look for the green icon with a white phone inside a speech bubble. Tap WhatsApp. Now look for the person or family group you want to message. For example, it could be your daughter, your son, your grandchild, or a family group. Tap the chat to open it. Before sending anything, check the name at the top of the screen. This helps you make sure you are sending the photo or voice message to the right person. Take a moment here, there is no rush. Now let's send a photo you already have on your phone. If you are using an iPhone, you may see a plus sign near the message box. If you are using Android, you may see a paperclip icon near the message box. Tap the plus sign or the paperclip. Now look for an option that says Photos Gallery or Photo and Video Library. Tap that option. Your phone may ask for permission to access your photos. If you want to send photos through WhatsApp, you may need to allow access. Now choose the photo you want to send. Tap the photo once before sending. Look carefully at the preview. Make sure it is the right photo. If you want, you can add a short message below the photo, such as, "Look at this," or "Thinking of you." When you are ready, tap the send button. The send button often looks like a small arrow or paper airplane, and that's it. You sent a photo. Now let's take a new photo directly inside WhatsApp. Open the chat where you want to send the photo. Look near the message box for a camera icon. Tap the camera icon. Your camera will open. Point your phone at what you want to photograph. For example, flowers, your pet, a meal, a document, or something you want to show your family. Tap the round button to take the photo before sending. Look at the photo. If it looks good, tap the send button. If you do not like the photo, look for an X or back button to cancel and try again. Remember, it is okay to try more than once. You are learning. Now let's send a voice message. This is very helpful if typing feels slow, difficult, or uncomfortable. Open the WhatsApp chat. Look near the message box for the microphone icon. The microphone is usually on the right side. To send a short voice message, press and hold the microphone. Keep holding while you speak. For example, you can say, "Hi, I just wanted to say hello. I hope you are having a good day." When you finish speaking, lift your finger on many phones, the message will send when you lift your finger. So speak clearly and keep it short while you practice. If your phone gives you the option to lock the recording, you may be able to slide up and record without holding your finger down. But for beginners, start with a short message first. Press, speak, release. That is the simplest way to remember it. Now let's talk about mistakes. Mistake number 1 is sending the message to the wrong chat. To avoid this, always check the name at the top before sending. Mistake number 2 is sending the wrong photo. Before you tap send, look at the preview. Mistake number 3 is recording a voice. Message too long. Start with a short message. You can always send another one. Mistake number 4 is worrying too much. Everyone makes mistakes with phones, even people who use technology every day. The important thing is to slow down and check before you send. Let's practice with 3 easy steps. First, open a chat with someone you trust. Second, send one simple photo. Third, send one short voice message. You can say, "Hi, this is just a practice message." This is a good way to learn without pressure. If you are nervous, practice with a family member who knows you are learning. Ask them to be patient while you try. Let's quickly review. To send a photo, open WhatsApp, open the right chat, tap the plus sign or paperclip, choose Photos or Gallery, select your photo, check the preview, and tap Send. To take a new photo, open the chat, tap the camera icon, take the photo, check it, and tap Send. To send a voice message, press and hold the microphone, speak clearly, and release when you are done. And remember, check the name, check the photo, keep voice messages short while practicing. Now you know how to send photos and voice messages on WhatsApp. This can help you stay connected with family in a simple and personal way. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to Senior Techies. This channel is here to make technology easier, calmer, and more useful for older adults. In the next video, we'll continue with another simple phone skill that can make everyday life easier. Thanks for watching. Take your time and remember, technology gets easier one small step at a time.